Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on Clipboard on the keyboard on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know that Clipboard is a feature that lets you to copy text and image and keeping them for 1 hour to quickly paste many things at once guys. And also this temporarily store information between different application and device also. And how to turn on the clipboard on your keyboard is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial on how to turn on the clipboard. Alright guys, so yeah, the first now you can show your own keyboard, and then you can click on the left top, and then now you can go to clipboard like this, and then now you can turn it on. And so yeah, here's the example of the sentence that keep storage on the clipboard. And if you want to add some, you can click on the pencil icon and then click plus icon, and then now you can type everything that you want, and then you can click for paste. And so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to turn on the clipboard, and thank you so much for watching.